What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to give you another update on this bike build, and these are some of the pictures that I composed in some of the video that I made. Put on all the custom dynamics lights on the back, and so I've done a lot of work as far as the inner fairing is concerned. I took out all the flat black parts and added on the vivid black glossy parts, and lots of parts still on the floor ready to install. Still have to do highway pegs and a whole bunch of other things. This is just from when I installed those 50 cals and trying to do the rear fender, and before I got the wheels on, I had 1 week to do all this stuff, and it was just, I was trying to hurry up because I was leaving out to go on vacation, and I was just running out of days. Stuff wasn't showing up when it was supposed to, and trying to make sure that I get everything in, and my back was hurt, really not a lot of time. So with some of the things I do is I put in the Chris Glide subdued in black on my bags, and so you can't see it, but I know it's there. So I did the new badging, the Harley-Davidson badging. I got it all together, and it's pretty much just like the last bike, set up like a limited. And then the handlebars don't fit. They fit on there, but they don't allow you to put the speedometer in between the two bars because the bars are too close. I wanted to go with the 2-inch thick look, basically because it's easier to run the wires on the heated grips, and it was a plan, and it went well with the chrome. And they're like drag bars, and on the picture form it showed that they were on a road glide, which they're on there, but it will not fit with the factory installed dash or speedometer and RPM meter. So I called up my boy Kelly B, and he hooked me up with some parts list to put on, and I'm going with the same stuff that he did to Kong. And so this is just some of the list of the stuff that Kelly B sent me. Arlen, Ness parts to go ahead and, you know, get it hooked up with the T-bars from Thrashin. So these are some of the other parts that I still have in the garage just waiting to put on. A lot of the chrome pieces to make it look just like the other bike that I have, Blade, aka Alonzo. And so I can't wait to get all this done. But anyway, that's the update. Thanks for watching another episode of Chris Glides, and it's going to be a few weeks before I see you guys again because I'm out of town. And stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And stay tuned because who knows where we're going to go next.